Today, in Dubrovnik, we had the workshop with the stakeholders of Dubrovnik, and there were a lot of problems identified to show why the problem of marine litter exists, to show why this is so important for the Adriatic, and to identify solutions.
The important job that Dunia is doing locally within the project is to be the connection with local stakeholders and the local community, to include all of them in the problematic of marine waste.
Now, the aim of the project is to autonomously collect litter from the seabed, and that's of course a very important problem because more and more litter is ending up in our oceans, and especially also for touristic and other purposes. It's very important that that litter is collected, removed, and that we also take efforts to prevent further litter getting into the sea.
Robotic solutions in the problem of cleaning the oceans is important because oceans are getting more and more polluted, and the pollution is far reached from the hands of people, and we cannot only rely on volunteering work of our divers who should be enjoying the seas and not cleaning up our mess.
Maritime domain and water is one of the most challenging environments that you can put a robot in. So that challenge alone is quite interesting to us. But then it's also the inspiration that we can do something good with robotics.
Pushing the frontiers in several robotic aspects, like research-wise, so to get, let's say, contributions on mapping, to get contributions on machine learning, to get contributions on control and estimation, all of these automation-related things, I think we are able to push them forward because this underwater control and perception problem are super hard to solve.